This is an update of two of the builds I just finished. This 70.5 Chevy Camaro. I haven't finished it. Kind of been pissing me off lately. Otherwise it turned out pretty nice, except for when I touched the door and got glue on it. I also did this bass boat. I was at the local hobby shop and it was $10 if somebody already started the truck it comes with, but I finished the boat, letting the truck soak to redo the truck. This is actually a pretty sweet boat. I haven't really built many. I would have junked it, but it's too cool to be sitting in the yard by itself. I don't think I got much done to the yard. Got most of the stuff back where it was and put all the vans in a row for storage. Oh, I built this Torino right here. So, didn't like the kit, so it ended up being a junker. Few new cars here and there, but other than that, nothing much. Been working on putting brake drums on everything. Whole lot of fun waiting to rust those. Don't mind the car crusher on top of the building. Oh, I wrecked one of the Challengers I had in the shop. So you can see you can't really see it with this camera, but there's a big fingerprint right in the middle of the door that I can't get out. Let's figure it out. Make a video. I haven't done one in a while. Until next time.